Hello viewers, take a look at this. This is a Makgeolli kit. In this small box is the promise of making your own Makgeolli. This was a gift from my brother for my birthday. Thank you very much, brother, for this thoughtful gift. My brother didn't know exactly what this was when he ordered it for me, but he did know it was related to Makgeolli, and that makes it a great gift for me. So what is this? This is from Wooririce Company. It says this is Woori Damgeumi. Woori Damgeumi, that's what it says. Korean traditional rice wine maker. Yeast is working in raw rice wine by pouring a water. That actually sounds completely legitimate. It does say Sang Makgeolli right there. That's unpasteurized Makgeolli. Well, so how could this kit contain everything needed? So let's look at the ingredients right here and the instructions right here. Okay, so the ingredients, it's mostly rice, but there is naruk, which is listed as gokja. Gokja is another name for naruk. Looking in more detail at the ingredients and the instructions, there are at least 4 big differences between this kit and how I normally make Makgeolli. First big difference is that there's no cooking involved. Just use the raw mix, and that's supposed to be it. So that's a big difference. I'm used to cooking my rice and cooling it before I can ferment it. So that's the first big difference. Second big difference is the amount of water. This is only 500 grams of solids here, and I'm supposed to add 1 liter of water. That's a lot more than normal. So that's the second big difference. Third big difference is that there's no filtering. You're just supposed to mix this up with water, ferment it for 2 or 3 days, and then you're done. I guess you're supposed to drink it as is, no filtering required. So that's strange and different to me as well. And the fourth big difference in the ingredients, there's acesulfame potassium. Acesulfame potassium is an artificial sweetener that's already in the mix. So it's not something that's added at the end, it's already in there. Okay, and this is supposed to be ready very quickly, 2 or 3 days. It does mention you can dilute it after that or store it in the fridge undiluted. Well, that's what it says. Let's open up this box and see what it looks like. And the only thing in the box is this package of powder, which again is mostly rice powder, but has naruk powder and the artificial sweetener as well. So that's it. So what else about this box? Oh, interesting thing, you can sort of see there's a sticker, a white sticker that says rice wine. That's covering something up. And on the side of this box, or actually, yeah, right here on the top of this box, on the top of the box right here, there's a word that's crossed out, and by shining light on it from the side, you can see what word that is. And it's the same word that's covered by the sticker is alcohol. So originally when this box was made, it said Korean traditional alcohol maker, and they put a sticker over it so that it says Korean traditional rice wine maker. I guess they thought it would be better to sell it if it didn't say alcohol on the box itself. Maybe various reasons for that. But that's it. That's what I wanted to show you this time. So tell me in the comments what you think I should do to make this. I actually am looking forward to trying it out. The naruk used in this package, it must be a different kind of Narook. It must be a more powerful one that the enzymes are able to work on the uncooked rice flour. Because normal Narook, I don't think, would be able to ferment uncooked rice flour like this. There's always a stage of cooking. And especially since this is expected to be done so quickly, in just 2 or 3 days, there must be some powerful Narook enzymes in here. But that remains to be seen. I will let you know what happens. So stay tuned for upcoming episode where you can see what happens when you try to make makgeolli from this kit. And I will do my best to follow the instructions exactly. All right, so if you like this video, please click that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.